Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Kimchi Nabe, a hot pot dish popular in winter in Japan. It is similar to kimchi jjigae, a Korean kimchi stew, but milder flavor and with more vegetables. These are the ingredients. Of course, kimchi, the Korean fermented napa cabbage, is the key ingredient here, but we also add a lot more vegetables and lots of mushrooms. For more information, please visit our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. First, we prep everything that goes into the hot pot. Cut napa cabbage into bite-sized pieces. Slice long white onions diagonally. And cut nila, garlic chives, into 2-inch long pieces. Trim the end of the enoki mushrooms and pull apart into small bunches. And we do the same for shimeji mushrooms. You can use other types of mushrooms too, like shiitake mushrooms. Cut tofu into 8 to 10 pieces. Cut thinly sliced pork into smaller pieces. In a large pot, heat sesame oil at medium heat and add the kimchi and cook for a couple of minutes. We are using a large electric pot here, but you can also use a ceramic or metal pot and cook right on a portable stove on the table. Add the dashi broth and kimchi liquid. When the soup starts to boil, add some miso paste. Just a regular Japanese kind miso, nothing spicy, and dissolve into the soup. And add some sake for more flavor and salt to taste. Then add the vegetables, napa cabbage, thick white onions, or you can just use green onions, enoki and shimeji mushrooms go in, and tofu, and cook covered until vegetables are tender. Now add sliced pork and cook in a broth until the meat is fully cooked. And lastly, add garlic chives. You can add whatever kinds of vegetables you like. Pork goes well with kimchi, but you can use other types of meat or seafood too. Enjoy this warm, tasty nabe with your family this winter. 美味しい。
美味しいね。